Future Weapons of Qatar. F-15E Strike Eagle, National Origin, United States, Role, Strike Fighter, expected, in service 2021. Eurofighter Typhoon, National Origin, European Union, Role, Multi-Role Combat Aircraft, expected, in service 2021. Airbus A330 MRTT, National Origin, France, Role, Aerial Refueling, expected, in service 2021. T-129 ATAK, National Origin, Turkey and Italy, Role, Attack Helicopter, expected, in service 2022. NH Industries NH90, National Origin, European Union, Role, Utility and Transport, expected, in service 2022. Airbus H125, National Origin, France, Role, Rotorcraft Trainer, expected, in service 2021. Doha Class, Place of Origin, Italy, Type, Corvette, expected, in service 2021 to 2022. Musharraf Class, Place of Origin, Italy, Type, Offshore Patrol Vessel, expected, in service 2022. Ares 150 Hercules, Place of Origin, Turkey, Type, Patrol Craft Vessels, expected, in service 2022. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.